Nope, this isn't ratatouille. This is our most beloved pinakbet.
Alam niyo yung mahirap sa pinakbet? Ang dami mong hugasang gulay.
Even if I clean these veggies multiple times with water, I'm still not sure if it's free from bacteria. Luckily, I found my superhero, the Multifunctional Sterilizer of Condura. All you have to do is fill the sterilizer with the right amount of water, depende kung gaano karami yung gusto mo i-sterilize at hindi aapaw yung tubig. Press the power button and then choose vegetables. Ganun lang kadali. With this, you can sterilize veggies, meat, and even baby bottles. Now for the cooking part. First thing would be mag-isa ng sibuyas, bawang, luya, at kamatis. Tapos lalagyan natin ng ginisang bagoong at tubig, then add some chopped okra and balunggay leaves para lumapot yung magiging sarsa. Next, make thin slices of all pinakbet veggies. Tapos, syempre hindi kompleto ang pakbet pag walang kalabasa. To add some meat, nag-broil lang ako ng liempo sa turbo. Lagyan natin ng diluted cornstarch yung sarsa para kumapal ng konti bago natin ilagay yung thin slices of veggies and meat sa parehong style na ginagawa sa ratatouille, which is circular and overlapping. While waiting, magtay tayo ng string beans for garnishing at saka natin ilalaga. After 15 minutes, our ratatouille-inspired pinakbet is done and we're ready to dig in. You may check the full recipe on the description and don't forget to grab your own Condura Multifunctional Sterilizer on Lazada and Shopee. See you guys next time!